Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. I'm going to be trying out some new CoverGirl makeup as well as doing this cute little hairstyle right here. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. Make sure you leave a like down below and also check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows and my eyes and my lashes because that tends to take the longest. So since this is like a get ready with me, I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. I just want to see my hair real quick so I can be figuring out like what kind of style I want to do. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be trying the CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation, and I have the color T15. I could always use a good matte drugstore foundation, so that's what made me want to try this. It says on the bottle that it's matte and oil free, and it has a pump applicator, which I like that. Hopefully this color matches. So it says it's supposed to give a light to medium coverage, which is fine because that's the kind of coverage I usually go for, especially for like an everyday makeup things, and that's kind of like what I'm going for today. One thing that stuck out to me when I saw this foundation in the drugstore is that there were 40 foundations to choose from. I love how companies are now stepping up their game and meeting the needs of us women of color because we deserve it, especially the darker skin tones. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. I think this is the correct shade. This is definitely light to medium coverage. It's very sheer and it's blending in very well. I feel like this color is matching my skin tone really well. I like this. Not really seeing any patchiness. I feel like it is a flawless finish. It's giving me skin-like finish but not necessarily matte. Skin-like finish is fine, like, you know, it looks really natural or whatever, but when I am looking forward to matte, I am looking forward to matte. What am I gonna get a true matte besides Maybelline? Let's see if it's buildable. The foundation has a nice clean scent, and I appreciate that. Usually I don't like scented like foundation or makeup, but it has a nice clean scent that I can appreciate. Okay, so the second layer gives you a medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage with 2 layers. So let's just move on to the concealer. It's lit. This is in the color light medium, and I wanted it to be lighter because this is supposed to be a lightening concealer. It says it conceals dark circles and signs of fatigue. Eyes look immediately more rested. I would say that the eyes did get brightened, and it does look a little bit more rested. It says high coverage. I wouldn't say high coverage. I would say light to medium. But it definitely does brighten. It is lit, you know what I'm saying? I will give it that. It definitely is. It definitely did that job. Like, the concealer was also very easy to blend, very easy to work with. So at this point I'm going to take the powder, and it comes with the little puff you can use. This is in the color translucent medium. The other powder would have been too dark, I believe, because, you know, the whole point was to brighten. And so if I were to use the other powder, it would have, like, I feel like it would have canceled all that out. So I'm just gonna press this powder in. Now I'm just gonna take a brush and like blend this in a little bit. I'm not mad at the powder. It's not a bad powder. It's not the best powder. The only thing I'm going to recommend to CoverGirl is to give us a banana powder. There's girls like me that need banana powder. And I chose this one out of, you know, kind of like this is my last resort. And I kind of wish I could have gotten something that matched me a little bit better. I'm not mad at it though. I feel like it did a good job of, you know, setting everything in place. It mattified the foundation and the concealer, so I'm not mad at that whatsoever. So this is my makeup completed, and it's looking really good. I decided to do the cute little style where they, you know, take a little piece of hair right here, and then add beads to the end, and then do something with the top. y'all, so I just wanted to add a little extra to the eye and do a darker lip, you know. I feel like that kind of like set the look off a little bit better. So tell me what you guys think about the foundation, concealer, setting powder, and just my makeup as a whole. And also, what do you think about this new hairstyle I'm trying? It's like really trendy right now. So I would love to hear your opinion. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.